Miracle 28. Tithe to your links. In the ancient scrolls, the high priests asked for all to give 10% of their crops to the temple. This was not a suggestion, it was an edict. This giving was called a tithe. Farmers were doing so well when they tithed. After a decade, it became voluntary. Tithe to your links. Don't give money or crops to your links, give 10% of your time. 6 minutes out of each hour of each day, text, email, or call some productive information to your links. If you have 6 links, and they do the same for you, you are receiving 6 times more information than you are giving. All of us soon learn information has a way of turning into clients, and clients into crisp new folding money. If your boss asks you to get back to work when you are tithing to your links, just say, "Sorry, boss, I can't right now. I am too busy tithing." Your tithing dice are always loaded.